Hey, this is Sam here from kitchengadgetsclub.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to cook chicken drumsticks using the steam air fry setting of the Ninja Speedi. This is our latest day in getting to know the Ninja Speedi, and we often get asked about the steam air fry setting, so this is a key example of when you can use it. So like with any of the settings that start with the word steam, you need a minimum of a cup of water to generate the steam so that it can preheat before it cooks. Whilst if you were just doing air fried chicken drumsticks, you don't need any at all. So what I like to do is, I'm always paranoid that I'm going to forget the water because I'm used to air frying more than I am steam air frying. So I always add the liquid first. So you want to fill one of your measuring cups with 1 cup of water, and if you're on millilitres, that's 240 ml. Then pour it in, but note, you aim for cold water, because if you use hot water, the preheating is quicker, so that means it doesn't have as long cooking in there, so your food will then end up undercooked. So unless we say otherwise, we always use cold water. The only thing I can think of that we use hot water for across all of our recipes on Kitchen Gadgets Club and on our YouTube channel and such like is your steam puddings. They use boiling water, but everything else is cold. So let's pop it in. And then we're going to cook the chicken drumsticks in the lower position. So you just want to pop that down like that. And then make sure none of the bits are hanging up, because otherwise it will result in a kind of tilted crisp plate. So now you've done that, I'm just going to put it to one side. And then we can concentrate on prepping the chicken. So the ingredients you need for prepping the chicken is very, very simple. Your chicken drumsticks, of course, some extra virgin olive oil, seasoning of choice, any dried seasoning that you want to coat in with. You can just leave salt and pepper, or you can add anything you like. You know, you can add garam masala, you can add a chicken tikka seasoning. You know, you can add mint, you can add rosemary, mixed herbs, whatever you want, whatever's you're in the mood for or that you've got in. What I found in my cupboard is some M&S Southern Fried seasoning, but this kind of thing will work well as well. It just depends what you've got in. So if it's gone a bit dry, just grab a spoon. I've got one of the kids' spoons for some weird reason. And then pop in enough seasoning that you want. 2 to 3 teaspoons or a heaped tablespoon, depending on how much seasoning you like. Salt, lots of salt. And then also a little bit of pepper. And then last but not least, a little bit of olive oil. It's a new bottle I've just opened as well. So then, get your hands in, mix it all up. Shallow bowls, dishes and whatnot are absolutely brilliant for prepping your food for your air fryer. Another one I like to use is pasta bowls as well, or just a large dinner plate also does the trick. Just give it a good rub, and the oil helps it all stick as well. So just give it one last mix round, and then it's ready for popping in. I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe, because look at those. The next job is to get your Speedi back in central position so that we can get them on and show you what they're like. So pop them all in. And I'll find a little spot for that one as well. Oh yeah, they fit absolutely perfectly, don't they? So depending on your size of drumsticks, you might be able to fit more in, you might need to fit less in. Don't double layer, because when you double layer, those underneath won't get cooked properly. It's so much quicker just to do them in batches instead. So I'm just going to give my hands one last wipe, and then we can set the time and temperature. So perfect time and temperature for chicken drumsticks when you steam air frying is 15 minutes at 190 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. So let's get it on. So turn it on, and for the chicken drumsticks we're following this beautiful guide. So you're looking for the steam air fry button. So you need to flick it over, and you want to go down to steam air fry, and then you're looking for a temperature of 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cooking time of 15 minutes, and then press start. If you're serious about learning how to use the Ninja Speedi, then can I recommend our new multi-cooker time and temp chart. It's brand new, it's on pre-order now, and it's under a £5, and it has lots and lots of different cooking times based on the different settings. From steam air fry to when to air fry, grill, steam, and so many others. It will really get you started with using your Speedi and understanding how long to cook your food for. And now, back to the video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we've beeped! So should we check on our drummers? Are you ready? Oh, beautiful, look at those. Those are what you call chicken drumsticks. And our time and temp guide is what I call interchangeable between different multi-cookers. So, whilst we have chicken drumsticks on the front page of it using the Ninja Speedi, it also works with the same time and temp with the Speedi. Isn't that fantastic? So, if you've ever wondered about chicken drumsticks, steam air fry, then they are the way to go. You can do the same with wings as well, which of course the time and temp's in here as well. And I can't wait to see you again tomorrow with another day of learning the master recipes to do with the Ninja Speedi that work across different gadgets, and we'll be back again tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook, and on Pinterest, TikTok, we're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one, and you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week, and we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.